This lesson covers irregular Portuguese conjugations under the imperfect. All regular Portuguese verbs have one of three endings. They are AR, ER, or IR verbs. There is an exception for the irregular verb por and its derivatives such as impor and supor. So each group of verbs have their own conjugations or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The Portuguese subject pronouns are eu, tu, ele, ela, você, o senhor, a senhora, nós, vós, eles, elas, vocês, os senhores, as senhoras. Você and tu are both singular informal versions of you, and the second person plural pronoun vos is archaic and rarely used. Você is often used to replace tu, and it almost always replaces vos due to the latter being obsolete for the most part. And the endings for the singular pronouns você, o senhor, a senhora, ele, and ela are identical, and the endings for the plural pronouns vocês, os senhores, as senhoras, eles, and elas are identical. Under the imperfect, as well as the present and preterite, we remove the infinitive ending of the verb and then add the respective endings to that stem. The imperfect endings for AR verbs: ava, avas, ava, avamos, aveis, avam. So for the verb falar, we remove the AR ending, giving us the stem fal, and to this we add the imperfect endings afterwards: falava, falavas, falava, falavamos, falaveis, falavam. ER and IR verbs share one common set of imperfect endings: ia, ias, ia, iamos, ieis, iam. For the verb comer, we remove the ER ending, giving us a stem com, and to this we add the respective imperfect endings: comia, comias, comia, comiamos, comieis, comiam. For the verb decidir, we remove the IR ending, giving us a stem decide, and to this we add the respective imperfect endings: decidia, decidias, decidia, decidiamos, decidieis, decidiam. So that is a basic summary of regular Portuguese verb conjugations under the imperfect. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.